Hello students, now we will continue with the chapter 2nd of physics, physical quantities and measurement. In this video we will discuss correct method of measurement. How we can measure the length of an object or a straight line. First of all, length can be measured by using standard ruler of 15 centimeter that has marking in centimeters and millimeter. First place the ruler along the edge of an object whose length is to be measured with the 0 mark. Ruler placed at one end of the object, then observe the right end of the object and mark the reading. What are the reading? You can see as the small pin reading is 2.5 and the key reading is 5 centimeter. In this way, correctly we can measure the length of the object. Correct measurement. If we want to take correct measurement of the object, we should read the reading of the given object with the proper position of the eye. When we place our eye in these two angles as shown in the figure, we call it as parallax. So, eye should be vertically above the ruler marking so that we can read the correct reading of the given object whose length is going to measure to avoid parallax error. Secondly, if suppose 0 mark is damaged from the scale, then what you will do? You can, if you want to use that scale, you have to place the object at 1 and then further you can note down the reading. Then suppose final reading is 9, we will subtract it. 9 minus 1, 8. Then 8 will be the exact reading of the given length. In this way, the scale with the damaged 0 we can use, and such mistake we will not repeat for measuring the length of the object. Units of the length. We know different units of length are used depending on the length of the object of the distance measured. Small length, a meter, is divided into 100 small units. Each small unit is called centimeter. Meter and centimeter are written as small m and small cm. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. In the same way, 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter and 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. In this way, you can measure the length of the different object. Some numericals are given. 4 meter we have to convert it into the centimeter. What we will do? We know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So we multiply it with the 100, we get in centimeter. Similarly with 3 meter, 55 centimeter. We know the value of 1 meter, then we multiply 3 with the 100 and afterward we will add 55 with it, we get the value in centimeter. 30 inches, 1 inch we know 2.5, so 30 inch we will multiply with 2.5 and we get the answer in centimeter. 2 feet, 1 feet equal to 12 inch, 1 inch we know 2.5. So first we will take 12 into 2, 24 inches, then we will multiply it 2.5, we get value in centimeter. Similarly, we have to convert all the given numbers in meter. 3 kilometer, we will multiply 1000 with it, we get value in meter. Similarly, 10 feet, we change feet into inches, inches into centimeter, and then we change this one given number into meter. 5 kilometer, we multiply 5 with the 1000, we get value in meter. Measurement of mass. Mass, we know what it is the quantity of matter present in an object. And mass in physics term, every usage, mass of an object is often referred to as a weight. Weight of object or book is 50 gram. In physics we call its mass is 50 gram. Now mass of the balloon, how we can measure? We will tie 2 balloons on a wooden stick with the center point, then prick one balloon, air will move out. We will see the balloon with the air, it will tilt down, which show the mass of the. We can measure the mass by beam balance and by electronic weighing machine. Beam balance, it has pointer at the center, 2 pans and 1 beam to balance these 2 pans. These are some standard weight which we use to measure the object. Similarly, if you want to carry any object from the market, at one side weight is left in a pan, other side object is placed, and the pointer it will indicate when it is at the center point that both side weight is the same. In electronic balance, upper surface is so sensitive, so heavy object we will not place, we will place lighter object. LCD screen. What is the weight of the lighter object? It is visible. Unit of mass. As we know, milligram, gram, kilogram and quintal. 1 quintal, 100 kilogram, 1 kilogram, 1000 gram, 1 gram, 1000 milligram. Measurement of time. Time, which is an important aspect of the life, or all our daily activities from morning till the night are centered around the time only. Measuring time is a great important to us, and today we measure time by using clocks, watches, but in the past there was no clock. People used to measure time by movement of the natural objects like sun, stars and phases of moon. They would associate time of sunrise as the daytime and sunset as the night time, and time between one sunrise to the next day one day, and they would associate the time taken from one full moon to the next moon. Measurement of time. Now in latest, accurately we measure the time by using different sort of clock, watches, digital watches. As we read the watch, time either 12 hours, display 24 hours. 12-hour clock. In 12-hour clock, time is expressed in 12 hours. Okay? In which shorter needle, hour needles, longer minute, and third needle, second needle it is, through which we come to know about the time in our daily routine. From 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon is taken as AM. Before midnight, and from 12 o'clock noon till 12 o'clock midnight is taken as PM. Okay, post meridian means after midday. Similarly, 12 o'clock time till noon is written as AM, and afternoon is written as PM. 8 AM means 8 o'clock in morning, 8 PM means 8 o'clock in the evening. 24 hours clock. In 24 o'clock time is expressed in 4 digit. They started at midnight at 12 o'clock, begin with 00 hours and end at the next day, midnight 24 hours. Okay? If now in this given clock 14.44, then what is the exact time? 12, 13, 14 mean 2:44 PM. In this way, you add the number, you come to know the time in PM. In 24 hours clock. Stopwatch. Stopwatch is used to measure the time interval between two events. It can be started at the beginning and stop at the end of the event. Hence it is used to measure time interval between two events. Maximum it's used in the sports, race, laboratory experiments. And stopwatch used in laboratory can measure the time interval accurately to 1 second. However, the digital stopwatch used in sports events can measure accurately up to 0.01 second. Stopwatch used in laboratory may look like 12-hour clock, but it has marking from 1 to 60, signifying the time in minutes and further divided into seconds. Okay? So units of time: second, minute, hours. How you can convert? You can convert units of time: 1 day 24 hours, 1 hour 60 minutes, and 1 minute 66.